Hey guys, what's going on? I'm Brian Knight. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel, The Successful Slob. If you are new here, and most likely you are because this is a new channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications and pass it along to your friends, neighbors, people you love, people you even hate. Especially if you dislike the show, you would definitely want to pass it along to people you absolutely despise. Today I'm doing something I've never done before on any of my channels. I'm doing an unboxing. Now I'm going to go ahead and tell you, I'm going to just speak through this thing. I've been filming all of my videos, doing all my live streams on my phone just like I'm doing right now. It's an iPhone 7. I know, I could go spend more money and blah, blah, blah. But yeah, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. So I've had a couple of iPhones that I've been shooting on over the past 4 years. I felt like it was time to invest into a camera that had a lot of quality, but I could also live stream with. So the camera bundle that I went with, I even wrote it down here because I'm not that see, I can't even say it, technologically advanced. It's the Canon EOS M50 mirrorless camera bundle. See, I even messed that up. I purchased it off of Amazon. I know you could go spend an arm and a leg online. You can spend thousands of dollars. In fact, a few years ago when I was looking into a camera, this is just how green I was at the time. I thought, man, $400 for a camera, that's pretty bad. And then I scrolled on up and it was like $2,000. So I did all my research, watched all the gurus on YouTube, and I just narrowed it down to this camera because I can live stream on it. I was very, very happy about that when I saw I can live stream on this camera. Holy crap, it shoots in 4K. Yes, I'm liking it. It is really, really cool. So I'm not going to set the brown box that it was delivered in up here because I believe you've seen a brown box. Just real quick, I purchased this on Amazon with tax and on like $687. So it is a bundle. It has some stuff in it. You'll see here in a second. So here's the box. I know this video is actually being shot backwards. I think it was being shot backwards. Beautiful, beautiful video, or beautiful box video. Long day, guys. Just forgive me. Get this sucker out. There we go. Now, really excited as I'm starting to open this up. Really well packaged. I like this. Well, I'll show you the box as I'm opening it. Yeah, there we go. Box. So here we go. Open this sucker up. There we go. Get it out. And there we go. There we flip and go. I am so excited. I just can't hide it. I know. I'm going to something. Really, really cool. Really, really cool. Man, it's got, look at that. You can flip it backwards. You can flip it to the side. Goodness, goodness, goodness. I love this. I absolutely love this. Yeah, that's important to take that off, right? Take that off if you want to actually shoot a video, shoot a picture. Goodness, I love it. It's really, for me, this is really compact. I know there's probably more compact stuff out there, but this is really compact for me. Once again, I said this is my first camera, so if some of you are watching, it's like, I've got a $4,000 blah, 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 blah. Really good for you. I've never had one of those, and I'm really happy with this one. So thank you so much for pissing on my party. Got some straps and stuff here. Some biggly booglies, or whatever you call it. Let's see what this is. Come in this bundle. I'm going to see if they'll let me put an affiliate link in here. If you want to buy it. I'm telling you, I was really impressed by this sucker. There's a lens. It's a lens. 15 to 45 millimeter. From everything I've been reading, this is nice and standard. This is cool. This is cool. Look at that. Is that nice or what? And folks, I know you can get really expensive lenses. But you got to. I mean, as I said, this is the first time I've had a camera like this, and I'm really, really excited. I'm going to set it over here. As I said, I'm trying to go through this pretty quick. I don't want this turned into a 30-minute video, or even a 15-minute video. I've got the battery here. Very excited to have this. Set this off on the floor. It's kind of like Christmas morning when my kids are opening presents to try to keep all the trash together. You lose less toys that way. How many here in the building has had their children open toys and one of them accidentally got thrown away because it got wrapped up in the paper? How many people here who grew up opening some toys and as a child, because there's so much paper everywhere, their mom and dad accidentally threw away a toy? All right, here's another thing I'm really, really happy with. 32 gigabyte card. We need that, but that's not what I was really excited about. This mic is fantastic for the money, for the bundle, everything that's going with it. Now I have a lavalier mic, and I didn't do an unboxing on that, but I think it's a Boya. Watched a couple of videos, saw this. It was only like $26 with tax, guys. And I tried it out on a test video yesterday. It was incredible. I'm really looking forward to using this. As you can see, it actually goes on top of the camera. You can hook it in. And I've never had one of these. Now, what's funny is, and I'm looking around me, but I don't see it. I've actually got it put up. I actually have professional recording mics. But I really don't want to have to run into my interface and all that bunch of stuff. So I'm really looking forward to that. Rhodes also makes a great product, so I'm looking forward to that. Okay, let's reach to the box down here. Let's see what else we got. We have an optics cleaning kit. Got a little bag that comes with it, a little brush to properly maintain it. That's great. In this kit, I got another 16 gigabytes. There we go. They also offer, I believe so, yes, this is a photo video art suite. So basically it's offering some type of editor that you can actually use. I have Adobe Premiere Pro, so I'm not going to use this, but I might let my kids use it just for the heck of it. Here we go, a memory wallet for 12 cards, so you can keep all of your cards together. That's a good idea. Have a card reader that comes here. You want a card reader. Really dig it. And it's a nice little bag. A little baggie I can put my camera in. Have it hanging around my neck like a really good loser. I'm digging this. This is a good day. This is Christmas in July for Dad. And then here's a Lens Essentials filter kit. I know nothing about these. I'm telling you again, I know some of you people who really know what you're talking about is probably laughing at me right now. You're like, he doesn't know. You're right, I don't know. But I am really, really excited to get this product. I'm really excited to be able to use it. I'm really excited to shoot these videos that I'm doing right now on this camera. I'm going to see if I can get an affiliate link for this. If you want to support the channel, go through the affiliate link and purchase really whatever. You can purchase whatever through the affiliate link and it would support the channel. But that, I mean, I'm just throwing that out there. But I'm really looking forward to this. I felt like buying the product was really easy. And after going through all the videos, I looked at the M200, the A6100, and just long story short, this one just stuck out. Like after I went through all the reviews, it was like, why am I looking at these other two cameras for the money? This is just like a no-brainer. So maybe you have a different opinion. Hey, that's perfect. We all have our opinions. Do leave the comments below what you're shooting on, what you think that you would like to shoot with. If you have this camera, good, bad, pros, cons, yada, 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 up or down. But do leave comments below. Do pass this along. And once again, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. If you're new here, normally I'm just talking about sales and marketing techniques, as well as how to start businesses and how to make it and go through the mud and the nastiness of starting a business. But I really do appreciate you showing up today. So if you have any questions, as I said, leave them down there. I'll try to answer them in a timely fashion. But I'm Brian Knight. Thank you for joining me on The Successful Slob. You can tell I got really pretty for you today. I'll catch you next time.